Hello, hello, hello. Sorry, I'm late. Okay. Oh my. I'm trying to hide this. Okay, let's try to do something here. Nice. A bit better. It's a bit better. Oh no, it's even worse. Okay, let me do. Maybe. Okay. It's not that bad. I just shouldn't turn around, but yeah, maybe. Oh my god. Anyway, I'm late. I was in a rush. I didn't even look at myself in the mirror. Oh, I forgot this. And I forgot to turn down the music. So minus 22. Okay, now that's better. Okay, hello everyone, hello, hello. Let me... Nice. Good. It's starting nicely. I bump in everything. I destroy everything. Anyway, hello everyone. Hello Angel. Hello Odesh, Silent Mod, and Vine. So today I was supposed to prepare something for today, but as always I didn't take the time to prepare it. So it's gonna be something else. At first I wanted to do the painting of the castle, the assembling and the painting, but we need material for that. We need paint to paint. Makes sense. So we won't paint today, unfortunately, but we will do something else. I guess we're gonna I'm gonna show you some stuff, the stuff that we print last time. If I can open them. And then we are probably gonna do just like last time, meaning some slicing and then some printing. We will see, because there is some news to do. Okay, let me just give me a second. Okay. Where is my charger? Are you going to shift the stream early? No. So, talking about that, what we discussed with Matthew today is that, so basically, as you know, there is the stream every Wednesday, every 2 Wednesday. So every 2 weeks on Wednesday. This is what we call the big stream on at 8. And we are usually 2 people during this live stream. We do giveaway and we have like discussion. What we want to do is we want to do more stream. So we are gonna continue to do the live stream every 2 Wednesday. But on top of that, we are also gonna do a smaller stream, just like right now. We're gonna do it on every other Wednesday. So technically, I don't know if I'm clear, but technically we should have a stream every week. And probably more than that, depending of what we have to talk about, what I have to show you, the idea that I have, this kind of thing. So, hello QWERTY. So, yeah, that's about it. We are Friday, we're not Wednesday. But the next stream is going to be next Wednesday. It's going to be a big stream, a bigger stream. And then every week, every Wednesday at 8. And maybe from time to time, we will have other stream like here and there. We will see. But yeah, that's it. I wanted to show you some stuff. So this is the tower that we printed last time. Not last time, the first stream. This is the tower that we printed. And those are the one that we printed last week. No, on Monday. When did we print it? I don't remember. Anyway, so we were supposed to have 3 tower, and here I have only 2, and there is problem on them, and I'm gonna explain that. So first, the missing tower is because of a very stupid thing. We ran out of resin during the print, and I forgot to fill it up. So basically, the last tower missed like this portion of the tower because there wasn't any resin. And those, I don't know what to do because I'm probably gonna keep them, but those had a problem. As you can see, we miss some parts. So yeah, it's not perfect because we are missing some part here. But I kind of think, was this a today print? Yeah, it was not today. How long was it? Something like 27 hours, something like this. So yeah, not 2 days, but a very long print. This one, exactly, it's by a catapult. It's like, it's a castle, so it doesn't really matter if we miss those parts. So yeah, same for this one, missing those parts. The last one, the round one, I reprinted. I started the print earlier, and it was, I reduced, so what I did was that I reduced the thickness of the wall, so that way we use way less resin for it. It's also going to be lighter. It's, I think this one was 4 millimeters thickness. The new one is 1.5, I think. I don't remember. So we use way less resin for it. And yeah, we can add siege equipment on top. I mean, probably good. And that way it will also hide a hole. So we will see what we do with that. I mean, we can see today too, because I don't have much idea of what we're gonna do today. So we can look into that. And yeah, which printer did you print this on? So this was printed on Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max, if I have the whole name correct. Yeah, M7 Max, the big one. Do I have anything to show you? Let me see. This is the one. It's a shitty pictures, but yeah, this is the one. And I have so many trouble with it. I have so many trouble. It's like I have a lot of reliability issue on it. And the last thing is the auto feed, the thing that take the resin out of the VAT and put it back in the bottle or vice versa. It's just not working. It was working and then it stopped working, and it's annoying. At first it was because it wasn't sealed properly, but now it's just not working. I don't know why exactly. So we'll try to repair that. But other than that, the printer is very nice, and the fact that it's so big, it's very, very convenient. And it's not this one, it's this one. But it's quite tricky. It's quite tricky to use. Instead, we have this one. Very, very classical printer. Ilgu Mars Pro 3. Mars 3 Pro. Very basic, normal size, like very, like normal size resin resin printer, and this one is so reliable, so reliable. It's very nice. So I say that, but I only had an issue today. Some print didn't stick, but other than that, it's like it's very, very reliable. So I like this one, but it's small, so we cannot print this on it. I mean, maybe one tower at a time, and I'm not even sure that it will be big enough. But yeah, which resin printer is the fastest? It's this one, the Elgo. I mean, the thing is, technically, if you look at the data sheet, the big one, the Anycubic, is faster. And yeah, it's big resin experience, so it's odd. If you look at the data sheet, the Anycubic is faster. But the thing is, it depends on the resin you're using and on the print. And I tend to print slowly. I tend to have like a slow retraction speed. I tend to wait quite a lot between the layer. So the speed of the printer doesn't change much. And also I use the same lifting speed for both. So technically it's the same. But I have something that I print on the small printer. It's the thing that we did last time, meaning scanning our face and putting it on the character. What is the failure percentage of your print? I should calculate it. Well, let's say on the big one, recently the big one have been pretty reliable. I had a lot of issue with the first layer, meaning that it was not sticking to the bed, basically. I really struggled for that. And also, it's my bad, but basically, we scratch the... it's not FEP, it's another name for this printer, but we scratch the resin tank, the bottom, the transparent one, and I change it, the plastic, but I put it like upside down. So basically it was sticking too much to the plastic, to the bottom of the VAT. So this was also a source of failure. But right now, in the current situation, I don't have much completely failed print. Usually it's thing like that, meaning like missing pieces of a print or like. So I would say for the it's totally random. I didn't calculate it, but I would say that for the Anycubic I have maybe 20% failure, and for the Elgo I have 5 maybe percent. Like I had a semi-failure today, meaning some of the print fell from the board, and some worked on the same print, but the last time I had a failure was maybe like 2 weeks ago. So yeah, I would say like maybe, I don't know, 5%. But yeah, what I wanted to show you is this. I'm gonna do a little close-up. Basically, this is what we did last time. Hello, Abyssal. Can I use something? I'm just gonna show you like that. Okay. Give me a second. I'm gonna put it on the tower. It's gonna be easier for me. Look at that. Focus. Yay. Can you see? Oh, definitely Gandalf. It's not the most convenient thing to do. Anyway, I'm gonna try the other cam. Maybe it's gonna be easier. I don't know if you can see. Put your hand behind the print to focus the camera. Yeah, I'm gonna try that. I'm also gonna try this one. Let's see. This one doesn't focus at all, so it doesn't work. Okay, I'm just gonna get up. Okay. So basically, this is what we did last time. So this is me. I think there's two issues with it. The first one being, no, there is only mainly one issue. The first one being that it's not very good looking because the resolution is not that good, but also it's because the print is so small. So we cannot have much detail on the face. And anyway, it's gonna be very like, since it's a scan, we don't have much detail on the scan itself neither. So that's the first issue. The second issue is that I don't have my glasses on it. It didn't print as we were expecting. So there's two solutions for us now. Either we try to reprint it with different setting to get the glasses, or we can try to print the glasses separately and then try to glue them, or we can just keep it that way and pretend that I don't have any glasses. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with it. Actually, it's actually quite nice. I quite like it. It's kind of uncanny because it's me. So I don't know. It will be weird. But yeah, we're gonna do the rest of the scan today. So that's probably what we're gonna do. Will it scan, pick the glass of the glass, and make them hollow? I don't know. Depend of which scanner you're using. What we did last time is that we use Bamboo Lab function and we add glass on top. It wasn't my glass. But I don't know if a scanner would depend of the scanner. I don't think it would pick the glasses of the glass. So yeah, depend of the technology, I guess. Okay. So I think what we can try to do is we can try to reslice it to get the glasses out of it. And then we're gonna do other character out of it. So again, I'm gonna use Litchi Slicer. Last time, I don't remember which one we used last time. I think it was last time we used Shitubox, I think. We didn't use Litchi. And I tried Litchi. And I must say that it's very good. It's very good. I think we have to pay for the software. For now, I'm still on evaluation. But it's such a good slicer. There's so many options. It's very good. Okay. So, if it wants to load, of course, because, yeah. No, this is not the right file. Let me see. Okay, like this. So this is Litchi. I'm gonna put the file in it, and you will see that we have way more option to slice, and I like it. I like it a lot, more than Shitubox. But I didn't look at the price, but I think we have to pay for it. So yeah. Okay. So as we can see, the main issue are the glasses. For now, we're gonna try to slice it this way. Oh, also, I'm gonna try, because there is this little artifact on it that I don't like. I'm gonna reduce a bit the music. It's a bit loud. Like this. Okay. So there is this little artifact that I don't like. So usually... what I do is that I do a cut. Up. Minus 37, like this, and apply the cut. I do a cut like this because it ensures me to have like a perfect... a perfect slice. Okay. This one we can delete. Yep. This way, and then the base is perfectly flat. Okay. We're gonna repair it. Okay, so... oh. Oh, well, I wasn't expecting that. Okay. Well, I wasn't expecting that. By repairing it, I don't know if it's the repair or the import, but by... yeah, there is two different objects. The glasses and the character. Okay. I guess it's a good thing, is it? I don't know. Well, I guess it is. Well, we're gonna do both. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna print the glasses separately. Me without the glasses, and then me with the glasses to see what it looked like. So, let's begin with this one. We want to prepare it and create light support, because what on who's using all the CPU? Is it working? Okay, I guess seem to be working like that. Am I still here? Am I still live? Oh my god. Oh. I think it's working now. I don't know what happened. The CPU got overloaded, and is it Litchi that made it that way? Well, Litchi is crashing, so I guess it's Litchi. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. Okay. Good. Hello, Raphael. Welcome to the stream. Okay, well, I praised Litchi, and now it almost made my my stream crash. So let's be careful with it. I'm kind of scared now. Now I'm kind of scared to use it. Maybe I'm not gonna... okay, decline. I'm not gonna use Litchi after all. It was a great idea, but I don't think the computer is able to handle it, so let's stick with Chi2box for now. And hopefully it will work nicely to slice the glasses. Okay. Now I can show you that. Nope. Toma. Oh yes, it's working. Nice. So, as we said, no, it doesn't. Doesn't allow me to separate the glasses. Well, that's okay. Oh no, it wasn't your connection. It was my computer failing. Very bad. Okay. I don't even know. I don't even remember how we. Can we even slice on Litchi? On Shitubox? I don't even remember. Copy, auto layout, dig all, repair. Maybe we cannot. It's quite frustrating, I must say. I tried to slice something earlier on Litchi. Very, very high quality with anti-aliasing and everything. And, well, let's say that it didn't work properly. The slicing took more than 1 hour. And I had to cancel it because the stream was starting. So, yeah, it's not the best, I must say. Okay. So, what does it look like? Like this. I want to zoom in a bit. How's the castle going? It's going nicely. It's slow, but it's going nicely. I think on Monday all the tower will be done. So I will show you the result on Wednesday. But for now we have. Yep. We have this. And the base. So it's quite nice. For now. So the round tower are still a bit too thick. So I reduced the thickness of the wall. So it's lighter and it's less resin. So the castle itself will be lighter, which is nice. And also we're gonna slice the base today, but we're not gonna do it in resin. We're gonna do it with filament. So that's something. But we are supposed to receive the filaments tomorrow, I think. So that's why we still didn't start to do the base in filaments. But I think next week we're gonna start to seriously work on the base. Oh. And how do you avoid damaging the sorry, how do you avoid damaging the face or really detailed parts with support? Well, first you try to make as few support as possible on the sensitive parts. And also, thank you Apple Pie for the follow. And also okay, no, let me re-say it. You try to not support the most detailed part, the most sensitive part. And to do that, there is several solutions. And the one that I like is to move the object so you don't have overhang, for example, with the most sensitive part. Let me show you. For example, right now I'm printing this. Let me show if I have the part. Oh, it's Litchi, so I doubt I will be able to open it. Oh yeah, I will be able to open it. This. Where is it? Almost there. Oh, here it is. It's loading, of course. But basically, oh. Yep. Where is it? Why isn't it importing? Ah, like that. Okay. So yeah, that's what I do. I try to use the orientation of the part to avoid at all costs those sections. Exactly. So for example, this is strand of hair. And it's not the worst of the model, but as you can see, it's very fine and very spiky. So you don't want to have support on those parts because it's fragile. So when you will remove the support, it can break. And also you will lose detail. And I don't have example because this one, I mean, I can show you this one, yeah, but also when you, even if you put very light support, you will have stuff like this. Oh, maybe. Yeah. You see all the little dots, all the little dot on the thing. So you have like the dots that are the remaining of the support on your model, and you don't want that. So the less support, the better, basically, or more like when you don't need support, it's better. But exactly, as you said, the thing is, resin is so easy to print, way easier than FDM, and it's so easy to work with. Like you can add mastic, you can add putty and repaint, so it's not much of a problem. But for sensitive thing like the glasses, well, you put light support with very fine base, and you pray that it print well and it doesn't break. Basically, that's about it. And hello again, People Pie. Thank you again for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Yeah. Gonna try. I don't see much of what I'm doing since there is so much support to block the view. But I think it's very heavy. So I don't know if it's gonna work nicely. We will see. To be fair, I doubt, but who knows? And as we said, the last solution is to print the glasses separately or to not have the glasses at all, because to be fair, it's so small that I don't know if I will keep them. Okay, let's just add some random everywhere because there is not much support on the other section. Like the stick doesn't have much support. Okay. Praying is my favorite part of 3D printing. Yeah, 3D printer people are very religious. We pray a lot. The spaghetti god, because it's like you need to have faith in your print, otherwise it can very easily fail. Even the FDM. So yeah, it's important. But for me, I'm a beginner in resin printing. I have way more experience in FDM, so I have a lot of fail in resin printing. So that's yeah, that can be quite frustrating. I really pray when it's cold outside. Yeah, and I use a printer without a heater. Yeah, but the heater doesn't do everything. We do have a heater in the Anycubic, the big one, and we don't in the smaller one. And yet the smaller is more reliable for now. I mean, maybe because our temperature is pretty stable, but what I really avoid though is to open the window while I'm printing. This is because I add too much fail because of that. So yeah. You start creating your own prayer when you're almost out of time and the print is looking kind of funny. Reminds me, I'm gonna show you something. So I think I already talked about that, but I did a print with the Prusa MK3 with a very small nozzle, a 0.25 nozzle, and I wanted to print this. And at first I did it with 0.05 layer height. So this is PLA glow in the dark, and of course it failed. The print was 6 days long. I think it went till maybe here, and it failed because we had a layer shift. I don't know exactly why, but we had a layer shift. So I reprinted it, but this time instead of 0.05, sorry, it was 0.15. So 3 times thicker. But it's still very, very detailed, and it's still a small 0.25 nozzle. And it still took maybe 3 days, a bit less than 3 days. But we got it. It's so bright we cannot see it on the camera. And this print almost failed. Hello, CSS. So, because as you can see, I don't know if you can see it. Maybe you will. It's too bright. But as you, maybe with this one. Oh, it's gonna be bright again. No, you won't be able to see it. Oh, yes, you will. Well, all I want to show you is that the bottom layer is shitty. Is awful. Like, I can remove filaments by hand, and this is due to 2 things. It's due to my MK3. I have a problem with the Pinda sensor. So basically, it doesn't, like, every time I print, almost every time, I need to lower the first layer, because otherwise it do it too high, which is very annoying. So the first layer was too high, and it was a miracle that it still stick to the bed. And then we had some massive warping here. So basically, if you put it on a flat surface, you won't be able to see, but it's like it's very warp at the end, and yet it stick and it survive and it prints. And it look very good. Yeah, it do look very good. So the first layer is bad. It had all the reason to fail, but it didn't. So I'm glad it survived. I don't know why I was talking about that, but yeah. That's yeah, I'm proud of this one. It's not as fine as I want it to be. It's only 0.15. I wanted 0.05, but hey, it will do. And I need to work on this printer, because this Pinda sensor problem is very annoying. I basically have to lower the layer 8 of the first layer every time I reprint, basically, which is very annoying. Yep. Now that you mentioned that, I'm also having trouble with glow-in-the-dark PLA. I can't get them to stick to the build plate. Well, usually I don't have this problem. Usually I don't have it. The only thing is that the glow-in-the-dark PLA PETG need to be dry. It's not often the case with PLA, but this one specifically needs to be dry, because it's I don't know why, but it works way better when it's dried. And the sticking problem with this one was mostly due to the first layer that wasn't good. So yeah. Does Sunlu also sell glass filaments? I don't know what you call glass filaments. We do have transparent filament, if that's what you're asking. Like fully transparent one. Like we do have, for example, PVB, which is one that melts in alcohol. So you can smooth it out in the alcohol to make like glass-like filament, completely transparent. I'm gonna show you something. I don't have though the PVB. I made some bench in PVB, but they're in the other room, so I don't have them with me. But we have, for example, the Twinkly. The Twinkly is semi-transparent. It's not transparent, but you can see that. So this is almost. So this is print in 2 to 3 layer. I don't remember perimeter. Sorry, and this is print with only 1 perimeter. And it's printed with normal setting for PLA. I didn't do anything with it. And you can see that it's quite translucent. It's not transparent, but quite translucent. And I think that if I tweaked the design a bit, I could make it almost translucent, which is very nice. But other than that, we have the PVB, which is totally translucent. It's quite hard, to be honest, to have a translucent print in FDM. You need to work a lot with it. I did some tests and it worked. I was about to say it worked quite nicely, but no. It worked, kinda. That's why PVB is nice, because PVB you can smooth it out with the alcohol. So it's worked nicely. I'm destroying everything. Gonna put some RGB in it. The thing is, it's too... Let me see. Now that's a nice crystal. It's a bit too light, but do this. And this... Oh, this worked nicely too. Okay, I don't want to spoil you because all of this are made for the new stream decor. So I don't want to show you too much. But yeah, I had this idea of putting them, putting light in it, especially the glow in the dark, because the glow in the dark, so you won't be able to see it now. No, because there's too much light around. But what works very nice with it is when you put UV light. Like usually what I do is I put them in the UV curing box for the resin, and it recharges them since it's glow in the dark, and it works very nicely to glow in the dark. And what I want to do is put UV LED inside so we can see it on camera, because right now it's a bit too bright. I mean, it looked like very flashy green, that's it. And yeah, hello, Builder's Mark. I didn't even tell you hello. Want to print a protospillen from StarCraft. What's that? I'm gonna look. I don't know what this is. I never played StarCraft, unfortunately. Oh yes, oh yeah, like a gem, like a crystal. Could put a UV LED strip inside to randomly come on with Arduino controller. That's kind of what I have in mind, is to have all kind of little decor on the background with LED and to control them with, I mean, maybe control them, but at least to make them have animation, even if I cannot control them directly. I would like to have them on like a Stream Deck, for example, but at least like have them on the back with animation. And maybe I don't know, maybe we're gonna do it on stream because it can be a nice project. But also I don't want to spoil you. I want to reveal the thing when it's complete, so we will see what we do. But we're gonna definitely do on stream a project like that, mixing electronic and printing. And yeah, I also wanted to mention the glass, to finish with the glass filaments, that maybe coming soon will be I don't know if I'm allowed to talk about that, but I saw that on the website, so I guess it's not much of a surprise, but I won't talk about it. We will talk about it on the bigger stream. I don't want to spoil anything. Do you code? No. I mean, yeah. I mean, no. I learned how to code basic thing. I didn't, well, in my study, I didn't learn, like, I wasn't in okay, I'm gonna start from the beginning. I wasn't in informatic, like digital engineering. I was in mechanical engineering, so I didn't learn it thoroughly. But basically, every year they made us learn another language, which is not nice, because then you don't know any language. You tried them all, but you don't know any. So I know how code is working. I know how to code, but usually I don't know the syntax of a specific code. For example, I did some Python. Python? It was in French, so I don't know. I did some C++. I did a bit of Java, and I think the one I used the most was VBA and MATLAB. So can kinda give you the idea of I won't be able to control LED with MATLAB, or maybe I will, but I never learned how to do it. And I learned a bit of Arduino, mostly by myself, but it's quite easy. Arduino is quite easy to do, so probably that we're gonna try to do something with Arduino. The only thing is that I want to be able to control it on Stream Deck, for example, so it can be quite tricky. So we will see. The clear PLA would work for this too. I think so. I need to figure out with a plan on how to do everything. But yeah, usually I just really like the Twinkly because it looked cool, and it looked like with the little glitters, it looked quite nice. So but yeah, translucent is always nice. Oh, Arduino is C++. I didn't even know. I learned C++ like a long time ago. But yeah, that's I'm not good in programming. I try to learn, but yeah. Anyway, where were we? Oh yeah, we were slicing this. So, what I want to do, because I've been doing this lately on the other print that I did on the printer, is instead of using 0.5, I'm using 0.3 millimeters. 0.03, sorry. And I'm gonna reduce also the exposure time. Oh. As always, when I'm slicing, everything is lagging. Okay, we use a software called WLED or Lumina Steam to control LED effect through Stream Deck. Ah. Could be... I'm gonna write that down, actually. I'm gonna write that down. Can be very useful. I mean, okay, I'm not gonna use a Stream Deck. I know I said that, but I'm not gonna use a Stream Deck. Actually, I'm gonna use, but it's gonna be the same. But I'm gonna use Macro Deck, which is an open source Stream Deck software. So you use your tablet or your phone as a Stream Deck, and it's open source and it's free. That's also mostly why I'm gonna use that. But yeah, it won't be that different. Okay. I say that, but nothing is planned for now. I will try to do it, but nothing is planned. Okay, so this is us. So now what I want to see is the glasses. And especially the definition, because you can see that it's very, yeah, the definition is very bad. Oh. Oh yeah, no, it's the animation. Stupid. That's why I like Litchi, because the anti-aliasing of Litchi is very nice. Okay. Well, to be fair, I doubt it will print. I really doubt it will, but we will try. Okay. Let's put it this way. I'm just gonna save it. And now I want to do the other character. So let me see. I'm gonna open Bamboo. I don't remember if we did the scan of Mathieu last time. I think we did, I'm not quite sure. But basically, okay, let's see which character we have. We're gonna do the same thing. Okay, make a lab. I'm gonna show you. Okay. Oh, my bad. So we said there is the assassin that we can get. The only problem with the assassin is that they got a mask, which I don't really like, because it's gonna be, we will need to remove the mask, but that's a possibility. Oh, wait, in the 3D viewer, can I? No, I cannot edit. Cool. No, I cannot. That's why I like Paint 3D. Because in this one I cannot... Oh, can I? Extra animation bone. Yeah, no, I cannot do anything. I cannot modify it. That's a shame. Oh my god. Okay, let me take it again. Okay. So we have the assassin. We have the dwarven warrior. But there is the beard. So it can also be in the helmet. So it can be quite hard to work with. Damn, I need to... Oh my god, why is it so laggy? That's crazy. We have the elf. So this is the one that we used. There's different one, but the old man with the lantern. I guess we're gonna use this one for Mathieu. And oh yeah, we have the paladin, but the paladin is the same thing. He got a helmet, so it's quite hard to do. I mean, let's see this one. And then we have a traveler. What's with the traveler? Okay, yeah, traveler. A tiefling. A zombie. And a winged guardian. Maybe this one? Spares out. Spear. And walking. Yeah, let's take the paladin drinking with the sword out. Let's try to see what it looked like. Okay. So basically, we would need to put Mathieu's face here. But the problem is the helmet. Yeah. I don't like it. And what about the winged guardian? Mm. I guess this can work if we remove the mask. Okay, we're gonna take this one. Oh yeah, you better be afraid. You better be afraid. Okay, let me just... We're gonna start by doing the scan. Oh, we already... Did we already do it? I guess we did. No, it's not. Oh no, it's an old one. It's not the right one. Okay, let's make another one. New project. Okay. Maybe it is. I don't remember. Maybe it is the same one. Okay, let's generate it. So last time we tried by using 80 cubic face generator. It was nice, but the problem is that it removed every hair. So we are bald and we have mustache. So it's more accurate, but it's more work because we have to add the mustache and everything. Which is not what we want to do. Okay, so in the meantime, I'm gonna open Blender and we're gonna work on the character. Okay, because as always, we need to remove the face of the character in order to... Yep. Like this. Okay, so we said we want the winged guardian spares out. Okay, we're not gonna... Oh, what did I do? Yep. We're not gonna scale it. We're gonna keep it this way. But just like what we did last time... Oh, no. We're gonna try to remove the face as much as we can. Basically what we're gonna do is we're just gonna push the face further into the model, so that way the face of Matthew will come out and it will be easier. Six minutes. Okay, let's take the older model. I guess it's gonna be the same. Nope, this is me. Give me a second. Okay. This one. Anyway, we just need the face, so it's gonna work. Let's download it. Okay. I think it's gonna be quite good already. The face is easier to remove because there's only the face in the mask. It's actually quite easier to remove than last time. Okay. Maybe it's gonna be good this way. So. Damn. Oh no, it's okay. The mustache is actually quite nice. Let's scale it. So, I don't remember the scale that we used last time. Oh, wait. I'm gonna put it back at 1. No, no. 0.3 maybe. Oh, it's gonna be even smaller than that. I think last time was 0.1. or a bit more than that, maybe 0.15 or... Yep. Oh, now it's gonna be even smaller. Damn. 0.5. Okay. Oh my god. It's always so cursed. Okay, I think it's good. We're gonna make it tiny bits bigger. Is it good this way? Anyway, I'm gonna rotate it, but no, it's too big. It's too big. Yeah, no, it's too big. 0.5 was good. Oh. This way, okay. 0.5 is good. It's not that bad. It's actually not that bad. Okay, let's... Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's too small when it's 0.5. Oh my god. Yeah, maybe it's too small when it's... Okay, let's try 55. Just a bit bigger. The thing is, the shape of the face is not exactly the same as the one for... Okay, let me... Widen a bit. Yeah, that's the thing. But the thing is, if we widen it, we're gonna lose, well, the face of Mathieu, because you don't have a wide face. What if... Hey, look at that. It's not that bad. I think, okay, let's try to widen it slightly. So we said 8. Oh no, 4. Not this one. Is it this one? Yeah, okay. So let's see. It was like this. If I put a 9. Yeah. Yeah, it's better. It's better. Okay. Like this. Oh, I forgot that the air was appearing here. Okay, now we need to push it a bit further. Like this, and a tiny bit higher. I think it's good. I think it's good. Like that. Yeah, okay, I think it's good. We just need to get rid of the air here. So let me... Ah, this is the one. Ah, yeah, but I need to remove it this way. I cannot do that? Oh, that's why. It's always the same thing. Okay. I mean, kind of giving some horn, so maybe it's a good idea actually. My god, it's long. Okay. Okay, almost done. Good. Perfect. I think it's perfect. Okay, now I want to see... Kind of want to remove a bit more of the face underneath. This to give a more natural look in a... Maybe if I pull the hood... Oh, Yeah, I think it's good. Okay, I think it's good this way. Oh my god. As always, it's kind of cursed, but I think it's good. Okay. Oh no, it's a Blender file. Well, we're still gonna save it, but what I want to do is export it as an STL. And it's gonna be... Yep. Mathieu. Okay. Export. So now that we have Mathieu, we're gonna try... I kind of want to use Litchi, but... No, okay, last time I used Litchi, the computer almost crashed, so let's not use it. Okay, let's be serious. Stop like this. And this is Mathieu. Okay, so the only thing that we need to do now is we're gonna put myself, okay, like this. And we're gonna put a tower of the castle. Main, I don't remember which one it was. Oh, it was this one, main C. Cursed equal good work. Yeah, exactly. Cursed equal good work. That's exactly what we want. We want a cursed thing. Was it this one? Oh yeah, yeah, it was. So now I'm just gonna rotate it a bit. Like this. So we can put... Wait. That's not the right scale for me. How big was I? Because I want the scale to be uniform, so... I think if I look at the door, I was approximately this size. Let's put it this size, okay. Because the bigger it is, the easier it will be to print and to have details. So if we put... Oh, no. I think... I mean, he's taller than me, so... Something like that. I'm comparing the base, so if the base are the same... Okay, like this, good. Okay. Okay. So now, I want to try in Litchi. My god, I don't know how to do it, but STL Mathieu 00. I want to try in Litchi. Because Litchi have a auto orientation thing that's way better than the Shitubox. Shitubox just turn the model randomly, and that's not good. Litchi do it way better. We're just not gonna slice it, because otherwise it's certain that it's gonna crash. But okay. This is Mathieu with the right scale. Rotate. I don't even remember. Arrange. Oh. Auto orientation. Okay, well. First, let's repair it. Okay. But I don't like the, okay, I praised Litchi, but I don't like the orientation of the model. Okay, yeah. I want the face to be upward, so the support won't be on the face. Yeah, this is good. I think this is good. I don't like Photon Workshop either because it does the same thing when turning a model. Yeah, which is nice. You don't want that. I have paint on my end. But also, I still continue to use Photon. For one thing, is so I can send the print on the internet, like through internet, through the Wi-Fi. I don't have to use a USB key. But I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna prepare everything in Litchi, pre-support thing, then export it in STL and print it with Photon, but just the STL file. So we will see. Okay, like this. Oh, last time it was the support that made it crash. Okay. Well, let's pray. So, okay, before I try anything, maybe that's a setting in your preference. I don't know. I didn't really look into it, to be fair. Okay, let's do something. If the stream crash, just wait 2 minutes and reload the page. I swear it's normal. Hopefully it's not gonna crash. Oh yeah, we will create a call not only for the printer but for the computer too. Okay, it worked. And it didn't lag. So that's the support. I like it, actually. Okay, let's do a bit of work here. The bracing. Okay. My god. Oh, 3D mouse. Oh, I want a 3D mouse. Why am I looking at that? No. Okay. Can I auto support filament? What? I cannot change the algorithm of the support? That's quite funny. Didn't even flinch. Yeah. Hey, starting to improve. Oh my god, it's here maybe. Raft. Like this. Yeah, okay. No, I'm stupid. I'm still learning, that's why. That's the raft I wanted, this raft. Because it's way less resin and it's nice to remove. Okay, export. No, okay, I definitely won't try it because it's sure that it's gonna lag. It's sure that it's gonna lag, so I don't want to. I want the anti-aliasing, so it's gonna lag, so I'm not gonna do it, but I'm gonna save it. Okay. Up on the desktop, and I'm gonna print it a bit later. Voice to text is bad today. I have no ad that issue with cheater box. Oh yeah, indeed. Or workshop, the model oriented, just as I have them in Cade. Oh no, what we are talking about is the auto orientation of the model. So basically, let me show you. I mean, I can show you. It's gonna be easier. If I take Mathieu like this, and I say rotate auto orientation, it will automatically orient it this way. See? And it found the best way to print it, basically. And you see there is only 2 solutions for this one. And it's often the same, which is nice. But when you do that in the Anycubic app, Photon Workshop, yeah, that's it. Basically, it will just do it randomly. It will turn it randomly till you found what you think is the best. But there is not a good algorithm behind finding the best position. Okay, Now, I want to do something different. The file is prepared. It's ready to be printed. So now I want to do, if I show you the picture. Okay, I'm gonna show you two pictures. This one and this one. The first one is the castle that you know. So this is the, yeah, you have that turn off. Yeah, exactly. It's just, sometimes it's convenient, but yeah. So this is the castle. Technically on Monday, I think all the tower will be done, technically. But I still need to print the base, which is not done. I have some parts done here, which are done in FDM. Sorry, in SLA, in resin. But I want to print the rest in FDM, especially those two big ones, the K and F. If it's big enough it's small enough to fit on the printer, I'm not sure. Because it's way more convenient to do it in FDM, and the paint won't be much of an issue here. So F and K. So what we will do is we will slice them. Castle, bottom. We're gonna put both. F. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. And K. Because basically it's box. It's two box. Okay. Well, we won't print them on one single. We could. I said we won't, but maybe we will. I was about to say we won't print them both on the same plate, but actually, maybe we will. I mean, it fit. So why not? Let's just slice it to see. Put extra draft and slice it to see. Okay, so in extra drafts, it takes 2 days to print, and it's, I mean, it's a shitty feeling, but yeah. Okay. Actually not that bad. It's actually not that bad. Okay. Well, there is two things. First, if we want to print two on the same plate, I prefer to print it this way. Because that way we don't have to put support. The little thingy on top to assemble them will be printed nicely. What's the name of the playlist? It's a copyright-free music playlist, I think. I'm gonna send it to you. It's make you feel positive and peaceful. Lofi coffee. Lofi hip-hop. I don't know. I'm gonna put it in the chat. No. I'm using the other keyboard to... Anyway. This is the one. This is the one. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I guess it's still the text-to-speech, because that's the nice thing about Resident. Can put as many things on the plate as... and it's the same print time. Yeah, exactly. Resin printing, exactly. It's, as we discussed last time, on the FDM, basically, I mean, it's not completely true, but what determines the time of the printing is how much plastic is in the part. It's mostly that. The more plastic there is, the longer it will be to print, basically. There is other thing coming into it, but that's basically it. And on resin printing is how tall is your print. The smaller it is, the quicker it will be to print. And it's so nice because that way it means that if you print this, it can be very long if it printed this way, but if you print it that way, it's gonna be very short, and it's exactly the same part. And I like it because it's a totally different philosophy. Okay, I like to print it this way because there is the little thing on top. I just want to look at... Now I have an issue. I mean, I have two issues. Oh, if I put it this way. I want, if it's possible, to print this one this way. With this face facing the bottom. Why do I want to do that? Is so this face will be totally flat. I mean, it will be textured because it's textured bed, but it will be totally flat, and this is the face that will receive the paint. Instead, here, I mean, we will slice it so we can see. But as you can see, there is the layer here. So if there is the layer, it's going to be way more annoying to print. There is two solutions for that, because we cannot put this face on the build plate because there is the little rock, so it doesn't work. So we can put this face on the build plate. It's not going to be as clean, but it's still going to be cleaner than having the other face on it. Oh yeah, the print is not flat. Oh my god. The model is not flat. Okay, nice. That's lovely. Oh, that's a shitty... Oh. Okay. Yeah, that's ugly. And we can also do... Okay, we're gonna reduce the layer 8. Just on this. Okay, I think we're gonna print it this way. The only thing is that we have to put support then. But it's not that much of a problem to put support here. At least this will be flat and it will be easier to paint. Okay, the only thing is that there is this... Oh my god, this ugly... Ah, it's not flat. Yeah, okay. Then I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should print it as we did at first, because that way we won't have this weird, ugly separation. Okay, let's try to make it very fine. Maybe we will put... I mean, the thing is, I don't want to put them in both opposite direction because it will look weird. And we cannot send it because there is the rock. So we cannot really send it. Okay. I don't know what to do. Well, first, I will need to generate the layer. It will be nice. Come on now. Why is it so long? Okay, I think bamboo crashed. Nice. That's lovely. Yeah, that's lovely. Well, anyway, no, we're not gonna print it this way. It's gonna be too... It's gonna be too shitty. This time it did flinch. Okay. Let's take stronger measure. I don't speak German. There isn't even bamboo in my task. That's weird. Okay, this time I can speak this language. Okay, this way. Good. Okay, we're gonna put them both straight up. That way, both parts will be the same. I don't want to have a part that doesn't have the same the same effect, basically the same finish as the other one, because it's gonna be ugly. So let's put it this way. Oh, let me just look while we're at it. Okay, that's what I wanted to see. I'm printing something and it's in PA12. I wanted to be sure that everything went well. Okay. What about the other one? Still good. Nice. Okay. So we said K, F. We can make it very straight like that with big layer height. And we said that we want to put this face so the little plug is here and we don't have to put support, which is what we want. Okay. We're just gonna put them a bit closer like that. It's not in the extrusion area. Okay. Now, what okay, I'm gonna slice it this way. Two days. And it uses 2 kilograms of filament. We have to correct this because we don't need a 1 kilogram cube, basically. It needs to be sturdy, but it doesn't need to be that sturdy. So, for example, we don't need that much infill. That's the first thing. And we don't need that much top and bottom layer. In a way, we could even remove them all. Because if I take my pictures here, it's an assembly. You see that it's like a side are glued together. So I wouldn't need top and bottom layer. The only thing is that I will still keep them because I need something to glue them on. It's easier to glue if we have a surface to glue them. So I will keep them. So we are 2 kilograms, 2 days of print. First thing, what I love to do is take the Arachne instead of the classic wall generator. Then, in strength, I'm gonna remove the grid and put adaptative cubic with 8% infill because it can be very light. It doesn't need to be too solid. 2 wall loop, 2 perimeter is nice because it's going to be the top surface. That's going to be the most important one because it's the one that we're going to put the castle on. And then the top and bottom layer don't need to be as thick. So let's put only 2 for now. And now, instead of having 2-day print, we have 22-hour print. And instead of 2 kilograms, we have 900 grams, which is a very good improvement. And if we look into it, it's way more empty. And I think it's way enough. I could go even further, to be fair. I could put, for example, lightning. The problem with lightning is that it would support the top, but that's it, like that. It would be empty and support the top, which could work. But the problem is that we will have the load from the side, so an empty shell would not work. We did lost a lot of weight though, but it doesn't work. What's cross hatch again? I forgot. I forgot what it was. It's a new thing, I think. Oh, that's ugly. Look like a weird gyroid. Okay. I don't know if I'm convinced by this one. Okay, let's stick with the adaptative cubic. I like the adaptative cubic. We could use... I also really love gyroid. The problem with gyroid, it's too heavy, use too much filaments, and it's quite long. I love it, but it's too sturdy for this application. So we will stick with adaptative cubic, and we also have to remain that the top of this part here is not the top of the real top of the part. And bamboo crushed again. Nice. Let's wait a bit. I believe in it. Oh my god. What's with bamboo? Oh my god. Okay. Let's start it one last time. It's just a simple part, and it doesn't manage to slice it. Well, that's okay. Okay, so where were we? Arachne and adaptative cubic, like this. Okay. So this is the thing, and I'm gonna put some Sunlu PLA. Oh, I was in PA. That was it. Was so slow. So now I'm at 14 hours, which is way better. And 1 kilo 56 gram. Okay, it's still quite heavy, I must say, but it's a big part, so there's no much way around it. I guess it's good. I guess that's gonna be it. So we're not gonna print it now because I didn't receive yet the filaments. Because for this one we're gonna use recyclable filaments. And we are supposed to receive it tomorrow. Not recyclable, I'm bullshitting. Recycled filament. That's what we're gonna use. Okay. And now, if we look... So we have the F and the K. Technically, all the other ones should be done with resin. Except, oh no, the L and maybe the G. Let's see what it looked like. G. And L. Oh. Okay, let's put another plate. Okay. So for example, this is the L. Okay, I'm just gonna change the color because it's so annoying. Gonna put them in till okay. This way we can see better because it's so annoying. When it's dark, we cannot see anything. Okay. Oh, the problem is that we have something here and something here, so we will need support. But it's okay. This way. Hello, hello, Sebastian. Oh, and there is a little part here. Okay. And this one, the specificity is this. So at first, I didn't want it to print in in filaments because of those parts here. But now it's not much of an issue because it's not, this one is not as, well, I will show you. It's not as sharp as some other parts. So we can even print like this and it will be good. We'll print it like this so the finish on top is going to be the same. So this takes 6 hours. And if we look at it, it's not as good looking, but it doesn't really matter. And if we want, we can put like 16, for example, and it should look good. And hello, Space Call. I don't remember if I already said hello to you or no. Yeah, you were here at the beginning of the stream, I think, Space Call. Were you? I don't remember, sorry. Well, hello anyway. Welcome back. Yeah, it's not as good looking. Maybe for the side we should put it this way. Oh, but probably we will have the same issue on the top. Yeah, since it's not flat. Like that. USA. No, I didn't. Oh yeah, and of course the bottom is not flat too. Okay, no, let's forget it, and we will print it this way. I don't want to work too much around it, so let's put it this way. That way it will be the same everywhere. Same on the inside part where you don't look later. I mean, it's gonna be paint anyway. And if we put the seam here, I don't think, because it's so much on the inside of the, I don't think it's gonna be too much of an issue. I would like the seam to be here though, I agree. No, here. Let's see. I don't remember if it's back or, I mean, here is good. Yeah, of course. It's better or nearest. Yeah, we're painting the base as well. Probably. I don't know exactly how. It's not gonna be... And anyway, we're probably... Okay, no, this is not good. I don't want to do... No. Oh. Back. And then... Repair... Seam painting this way. Oh my god, precise. Up. Hopefully it's gonna work this way. Slice. Okay. What was I saying? Yeah, the paint. Oh, that's ugly. Well, that's ugly, but we don't really care because it's gonna be in the glue, so we don't really care. There's just this one, and that's it. Yeah, I wanted to say, yeah, we're gonna paint the base, and we're also gonna probably weather it, so put some kind of like moss rock thing like that to make it more look better. Oh, I can select vertical. I'm still old school. I'm so used to... Oh yeah, that's actually very nice. I'm so used to Prusa Slicer, and last time I used the... I don't use it often, the... Oh, that's actually very nice. I don't use often the seam painting, and last time there wasn't any vertical one. I remember we had to press one point, quit the thing, press another point. It was a whole technique just to make a... Oh fuck. A vertical seam. Ah. No, not quite good. Almost. Like this. Maybe. Oh. Hey. Should be good. Should be good. Yeah. There is a little... Nah. It will be good. It will be good anyway. Okay. So there's this. Then there's the base here. So I would just want to turn it. And this one, oh yeah, we both, for both of them we have to put support. So usually I love the tree support, but not in this case, because I only want support here. And the normal support will use less filaments, will be more reliable and kinda easy to remove just for this specific usage. So, I don't want any support inside and I don't want any support here, of course. So instead, what I'm gonna do, I don't want to use support blocker. Instead, I'm gonna use support enforcer. It's gonna be easier. Okay. Up. Oh. Okay. I like it better. I don't have to put it that high. And be just like this. Let's do the same here. Support enforcer. Oh, where's my support? Here it is. Up. And oh my. Okay. Anyway, I think once it's sliced, we're gonna stop the stream probably. It's already quite late. And it's gonna be the same over and over again, so it's gonna be quite boring. Okay. And this is 15 hour. A bit less, 900 gram, a bit less than a kilogram. So it's good, I think. It's not the most economic print, but it's good. And if we put, let's try, I just want to try a smaller one, like a D, to see how the detail come out on print. Where's the D? Oh. Yep. Come on now. Okay, so usually... okay, no, this one we can print this way. Oh, and it's flat. Oh, awesome. Yeah, I think this is gonna work nicely. There's just this part that's really not sharp, and so I don't like it, but there is not really any way around it. We could put... Oh, we are already on... Oh my god. No. We need 0.28. I'm stupid. 1 hour 31. Oh, that's way better. And yeah, it's not as sharp, but hey, that's gonna be good. So yeah, that's about it. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slice all that offline, and anyway, we're gonna print them next week. So maybe on Wednesday I will have some stuff to show you. Save it. Back. this way. Okay. I mean, it's almost 2 hours. It's a bit shorter than last stream, I think, but it's still almost 2 hours. So yeah, it's good. So if I sum up, we are gonna print the... Oh, why? I arranged it straight. We are gonna print Mathieu on the resin printer. We're gonna, this weekend, I mean, it's still printing right now. We're gonna print the castle, the tower, sorry. As soon as I receive the filament, the recycled filament, I'm gonna print this, the base. And it's already quite nice. So we should have some stuff to show you on Wednesday. I want to print cool, like small armor or tweezer. Is there any material do you recommend? On FDM or resin, it depends. For example, I printed a hammer on resin because you can make it very heavy, very tough. For that, I use high toughness, solid black, even if the color doesn't really matter. But I use high toughness resin. And for FDM, I would depend on the thing. For example, the hammer, I think you would want to use PA, easy PA, for example. Either easy PA or PA 6 or 12 carbon fiber. But the PA is a nice option because it's very tough. So I would, yeah, I think I would use easy PA. For tweezer, I would use PETG because it's quite flexible, or at least it's more resistant, it's tougher than PLA, and PLA is brittle, so you would like break the tweezer. It's not very flexible, so I would use PETG for tweezer. I FDM printed tweezer before. You want hard and still tough material, probably. Oh, some CF filled ABS, ASA, PA would be good. I mean, it depends on the design of your tweezer. I was thinking that for your tweezer, you want something a bit more flexible because you want to flex them. Soft tweezers are annoying to use. Yeah, indeed. Yeah, okay, you're right. Okay, yeah, I mean, the jaw of the tweezer should be hard because it shouldn't flex when you pinch it. I mean, I have a tweezer that I 3D printed, and indeed the jaw are quite soft, but also the mechanism, you want it to be a bit softer, so in order to flex and tweeze. But yeah, I agree that soft tweezers are annoying to use. I'm gonna show you what I did. It was on printable. It's a print-in-place tweezer that I like. But yeah, I guess I guess PA 12 CF should be good. This one I'm gonna show you in the... So this is the one I printed. Up. And what the fuck? Oh my god, this is so annoying. YouTube asking to verify me. I'm in the middle of a stream. What do you want me to do? Oh my, that's annoying. Well, I cannot chat on YouTube, it's okay. Okay, this way. So yeah, if you want to position something with a little force involved, it is okay. But if you want to pull something out and can't apply pressure because it's flex, it's not good. Yeah, I agree. No, you're right, I agree. You want something quite sturdy. So yeah. Then I guess for both, CF Fields filament is good. CF Fields ABS, ASA or PA. I would say PA because it's the toughest, but depend of what looked better, basically. But yeah, I think PA, yeah. Okay, well, I hope I will be able to end the stream on YouTube then. Doesn't matter. Well, then, I think I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna wish you a good night, or a good day, or a good morning, and most importantly, enjoy your weekend, and we see together on Wednesday. Let me see. On Wednesday, I don't remember what we're gonna talk about. I don't remember. Okay. Well, we'll see. Because also... maybe there will be another stream next week. So Wednesday, that's for sure, but maybe we will have another one. I don't know. Okay, we will see. Anyway, so have a great weekend. See you soon. See you on Wednesday. Happy printing, and thank you for being there. And I see you on Wednesday. Bye.